So, guys, I will present our branding and sustainability slides about the Coil project that we have already investigated and how companies from different countries approach branding and sustainability while working towards global goals. In project reflection, we found that cultural aspects are very uncommon or they are not common because of, for example, Shell and Capital have started investigating clean energy, while Bancolombia and World Bank promote sustainable financial and related with the corporate social responsibility and communication. Bancolombia and Real Bank position their brands as allies for social development, while Shell and Capital emphasize the energy transition. Now, respecting to Tony's chocolate fair, trade sustainability in ingredients and fighting slavery in the coca industry. And KALM, which is aircraft company, use of biofuels, carbon offsettings, and fleet modernization in order to promote a different sustainability actions.
Well, we have first the common sustainability trends. First, we have the SDG alignments that are that all the companies have in common the UN Sustainability Development Goals. That are the goals that consist in to get a solution of many problems around the world. Then we have the renewable energy that the companies invest in clean energy and sustainable financing. Then we have the tech innovations that are digital tools that exchange consumer experience. And then we have the social responsibility that are the brand support social development and energy transition. Then we are going to make a comparison of the visual brand identity of the four companies. First, we have Bancolombia that consists in the color of blue and green, that it represents the trust and sustainability. Then we have the Ecopetrol company that are green and yellow colors, that it represents the energy focus. And then we have the Rabobank that are the blue and orange. It represents the community emphasis. And then we have the a company that have the colors red and yellow that represents the global identity.
Okay, now we're going to talk about brand positioning strategies. From the Colombian companies, we have first Bancolombia, which has a sustainable and digital banking strategy. Second is Ecopetrol, which has an energy in transition, innovation in hydrocarbons and renewables. And from the companies of Netherlands, we have Cooperative Bank and support for the agriculture sector, and Shell, which is a global energy leader focused on carbon reduction. Also, we have some unique sustainability approaches. First, we have Tony's Chocolonely, which is an activist branding 100% slavery-free chocolate. QLM, which has emission reduction, sustainable aviation. And from Colombia, we have Bancolombia, which has well-being and financial inclusion. And last, Ecopetrol, which has transitioning to clean energy identity.
We have the global recommendation. The first one is a strength ESG integration, that is about the pen environment, social, and governance criterion. The second one is unify sustainability. Amazing is about consistent communication builds trust. Another one is invest in transformation, is expand clean energy and digital platforms. And the last one is promote inclusive branding, that is position and socially responsible.
Purpose-driven branding is a brand strategy focused on aligning a company brand efforts with a deep purpose beyond profit. It aims to connect with the consumer on a more meaningful level. There are three main pillars showing this slide. The first one is differentiation through the purpose, that a brand can stand out in a market by adopting unique and impact identities that reflect a clean mission or purpose. The second one is enhanced consumer education, which is the branding is not just an image, it's also a tool to inform. Here, the focus is on educating the consumer, especially on topics like sustainability. And the third one is encourage participation. Purpose driven branding is also invites consumer to be part of the mission of the company. It shows how they can contribute, whether through sustainability behaviors, feedback, or community involvement. This approach not only strengthens brand identity but also builds trust in a long term with the consumers.